Manual coffee grinders are getting more and more popular, and with that comes a whole lot of subpar products on the market that you're best off avoiding. With this in mind, I decided to separate the good from the bad and find out what the best manual coffee grinder for espresso and pour over truly is. Links to each product are in the description box below. The number 7 product on my list is the Alpaca Ventures manual coffee grinder, which I really rate as one of the best manual coffee grinders that you can get. This stainless steel manual coffee grinder offers effortless grinding and versatile settings, making it a solid choice for coffee enthusiasts. You'll appreciate the smooth operation of this manual grinder thanks to its built-in bearing system. The lengthened stainless steel handle provides excellent leverage, reducing the effort required to grind your beans. This design allows you to enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home without increasing your electricity bills or constantly replacing batteries. The grinder's body is crafted from 420 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Its solid construction extends to the crank, which is sturdy and perfectly sized for comfortable grinding. The burr, made with aircraft-grade material, can handle any adventure you take it on, making it ideal for both home use and outdoor excursions. You'll find the grinder easy to disassemble and clean. A simple twist separates the components, eliminating the need for additional tools. This feature, combined with its lightweight design, enhances its portability for camping trips or travel. An included espresso grinder brush helps you maintain cleanliness inside the burr. The adjustable grind settings give you complete control over your coffee's consistency. You can easily switch between fine and coarse grinds to suit various brewing methods, from espresso to French press. This versatility allows you to experiment with different coffee styles and find your perfect brew. As a thoughtful gift for coffee lovers, this manual grinder offers more than just functionality. It provides a personal espresso journey, allowing users to connect with the bean-to-cup process. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, you'll enjoy the fresh flavors and gourmet experience it brings to each brew. Taking the number 6 spot on my list of the best manual coffee grinders reviews is the KINGrinder K6 manual hand coffee grinder, which is ideal if you're looking for a good manual coffee grinder without spending a fortune. The KINGrinder K6 offers impressive grind control with 60 click settings in a single rotation. You can fine-tune your grind size from ultra-fine espresso to coarse French press with ease. This level of precision ensures you'll get the perfect grind for your preferred brewing method every time. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, the K6 is built to last. Its robust construction withstands daily use and even the rigors of outdoor adventures. The stainless steel conical burrs deliver consistent grinds, while the dual bearing design enhances stability during grinding. You'll appreciate the K6's portability for camping trips or travel. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to pack. The 30 to 35 G capacity is ideal for brewing a few cups on the go. When it's time to clean, you can disassemble the grinder without tools and use the included brush for quick maintenance. The grinder's thoughtful design extends to its ergonomics. The straight handle provides a comfortable grip and smooth rotation, reducing hand fatigue during grinding. You'll find the grinding process to be relatively quick and effortless compared to lower quality manual grinders. While the K6 comes at a higher price point than some manual grinders, its quality construction and performance justify the investment. You're getting a grinder that rivals electric models in grind consistency, but offers the flexibility of manual operation. For coffee enthusiasts who value precision and durability in a portable package, the KINGrinder K6 is an excellent choice. Checking in at number 5 is the popular JavaPresse manual stainless steel coffee grinder, which I rate as the best budget manual coffee grinder available. Along with its reasonable price point, you'll love this portable manual coffee grinder for its versatility and precision. The JavaPresse Manual. Coffee Grinder offers a fantastic way to grind your beans fresh, whether you're at home or on the go. With 18 adjustable settings, you can fine-tune your grind size to suit any brewing method. This level of control allows you to experiment with different grinds for your French press, pour over, or espresso machine. One of the standout features is the ceramic conical burr. Unlike cheaper blade grinders, this burr design ensures a consistent grind size, which is crucial for extracting the best flavors from your coffee. The ceramic material is also incredibly durable, outlasting stainless steel alternatives by up to 5 times. Portability is a key advantage of this grinder. Its compact size and lack of electrical components make it perfect for travel or camping trips. You won't have to sacrifice your morning coffee routine, even when you're off the grid. Plus, the hand crank mechanism is nearly silent, so you can grind your beans without disturbing others. The build quality of the JavaPresse is impressive. The stainless steel body is not only attractive, but also built to withstand the rigors of daily use and travel. It's easy to disassemble for cleaning, which helps maintain the grinder's performance over time. While manual grinding requires some effort, many users find the process therapeutic and enjoyable. It's a chance to slow down and connect with your coffee-making ritual. The JavaPresse's smooth operation makes the task less of a chore and more of a pleasure. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of fresh ground beans, this grinder offers an excellent balance of quality, portability, and value. Moving on to the 4th best hand coffee grinder, we have the TIMEMORE C2 manual grinder. I really think you'll love this sleek and efficient manual coffee grinder for its precision and portability. The TIMEMORE C2 manual coffee grinder is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts who value precision and control. Its 420 stainless steel burrs, crafted using 5-axis CNC technology, deliver consistent and even grinds. You'll appreciate the 5550 8 HRC hardness rating, ensuring quick and efficient bean cutting. Adjustability is key with the C2. You can easily fine-tune your grind size by turning the built-in adjustment knob. This feature allows you to experiment with different brewing methods, from pour-over to French press. Whether you're at home, in the office, or camping outdoors, you'll have the perfect grind at your fingertips. Cleaning this grinder is a breeze. Its compact design allows for tool-free disassembly, making maintenance quick and simple. The included brush helps you keep the burrs clean without water, preserving their quality and ensuring consistent performance over time. Portability is another strong suit of the C2. Weighing just 430 g, it strikes a balance between lightweight convenience and a luxurious feel. The knurled exterior provides a secure grip during grinding, while the included cloth bag makes it easy to take your grinder on the go. You'll find the C2's versatility impressive. Its ability to handle various grind sizes makes it suitable for multiple brewing methods. Whether you're a pour-over purist or a French press fanatic, this grinder adapts to your coffee preferences. The dual-bearing center axis ensures even particle size distribution, contributing to a more balanced and flavorful cup. Up next is the VSSL Java G45 Coffee Manual Coffee Grinder, which earns the 3rd spot on my best coffee hand grinder list thanks to its excellent price-to-performance ratio. The VSSL Java G45 is a top-notch manual coffee grinder that combines portability with precision, making it a great choice for coffee enthusiasts on the go. The VSSL Java G45 stands out with its sleek, cylindrical design that's perfect for travel. You'll appreciate how it fits easily into a backpack or even attaches to your gear with its built-in carabiner. This grinder is constructed from sturdy aluminum, giving you confidence it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures or daily use. Grinding your beans is a breeze with the Java G45. The ergonomic handle extends for easy cranking and locks back into place when you're done. You can grind up to 45 grams of coffee in under a minute, which is plenty for a couple of cups. The high-carbon stainless steel burrs ensure a consistent grind, crucial for extracting the best flavors from your beans. One of the most impressive features of this grinder is its 50 unique grind settings. You can dial in the perfect consistency for any brewing method, from fine espresso to coarse French press. This level of control allows you to experiment and find the ideal grind for your taste preferences. The dual bearing system in the Java G45 contributes to its smooth operation and consistent results. You'll notice less wobble and a more even grind compared to many other manual grinders. This precision translates directly to better tasting coffee in your cup. VSSL's commitment to quality is evident in their lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. You can feel confident in your investment knowing that the company stands behind their product. While the price may be higher than some manual grinders, the durability and performance of the Java G45 make it a worthwhile choice for serious coffee lovers. Now for the runner-up on my best manual espresso grinder list. The Comandante C40 MK4 is a premium manual coffee grinder that delivers exceptional grind consistency for coffee enthusiasts willing to invest in quality. You can really see why this is considered the best espresso hand grinder by a lot of people. You'll appreciate the Comandante C40 MK4's heart, a high nitrogen martensitic stainless steel grinder with impressive hardness. This material ensures the burrs stay sharp, maintaining their edge over time. The result? A consistently uniform grind that elevates your coffee experience. The grinder's newly developed mill geometry contributes to its outstanding performance. You'll notice a homogeneous grinding result, crucial for extracting the best flavors from your beans. With a grinding speed of about 1 bean per turn, you can enjoy a meditative morning routine while preparing your brew. Durability is a key feature of the C40 MK4. Its enclosed double-mounted axle with stainless steel ball bearings ensures smooth operation and longevity. The handle knob, crafted from oak wood, adds a touch of elegance and can be removed for easy cleaning. You'll find the magnetic connection between the crank and axle both convenient and secure. This thoughtful design element prevents accidental detachment during use, ensuring a smooth grinding experience. The plastic components are made from Eastman Triton copolyester, known for its durability and BPA-free properties. The C40 MK4 comes with 2 jars, 1 brown glass and 1 clear polymer glass. Each holds about 40 grams of beans, perfect for single servings or small batches. The redesigned internal tri-fan axle support makes filling the grinder a breeze, streamlining your coffee preparation process. So, what is the best manual coffee grinder for espresso that you can buy? Well, it's a close call, but in my opinion, the best handheld coffee grinder is the OneSpresso K Ultra grinder. The OneSpresso K Ultra is a top-tier manual coffee grinder that offers exceptional grind consistency and versatility for coffee enthusiasts. You'll love the K Ultra's foldable handle, which makes it easy to pack for travel or store in tight spaces. This feature is perfect if you're always on the go or have limited counter space in your kitchen. The external adjustment ring is a game changer for your brewing routine. With over 100 click settings and 20 microns per click, you can dial in your grind size with incredible precision. Whether you're brewing espresso or French press, you'll achieve the perfect grind every time. The specialized K-burr sets this grinder apart from the competition. Its heptagonal conical design ensures consistency across various brewing methods. You'll notice a brighter, richer taste in your cup that's hard to replicate with other grinders. Removing the catch cup is a breeze thanks to the quick-release magnetic design. You can easily twist it off to access your freshly ground coffee. With a capacity of 35 to 40 G, you'll have plenty of room for multiple servings. The OneSpresso team has calibrated and fixed the burr securely, so you won't have to worry about wobbly parts or loose burrs over time. You can expect this grinder to handle about 100 to 200 kilograms of coffee with normal use. Plus, the 1-year limited warranty gives you peace of mind with your purchase. And there you have it, my list of the best manual coffee grinders. If you enjoyed these manual coffee grinder reviews, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product are in the description box below.